Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create games collections on Epic Games Launcher. To do this, first we'll need to open our library, then find whichever games you want to add to your collection. Click on the three dots on the game banner and then add to collection, create new collection, or if you already made new collection, then select whichever one you want to add this game to. Now I'm going to create new one like this, and here in the library you'll be able to find your games collections with their name, and as you can see there's a game that we just added. Now to remove it, click on the three dots again and then or actually sorry, we'll need to do it somewhere around here. Yep, right click on the collection and then remove it just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.